Okay, so this is a failed glue block. It wasn't holding anything, and the staples actually it actually broke the block and didn't keep the block in place. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to use plywood. The advantage is that the wood runs in different directions, so it gives you better strength. Although this is probably one of the cheaper, softer plywoods I've ever seen. So anyways, what I'm doing is I'm tracing this block shape onto here. I'm going to cut it out with just a circular saw, and then I'm going to use quick and thick glue um, to attach it. I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to actually drill some holes into it to reinforce it into position. So anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so it's pretty windy out here, so I'm going to try to shield the microphone a little bit, but so you'll see my parts are marked out, and I've got my battery powered saw. You want a nice straight edge here, and you want a nice straight edge there. Hopefully the dresser's square that you're trying to support. This doesn't matter. I can freehand this. Where it matters is with the foot that's on my speed square here, I can hook it on here, and then I slide this along the cut. And what that does is it gives me a nice 90-degree angle. So this is an edge that's already taken care of. And then, like I said, this doesn't matter because it just faces out. It's not connected to anything. The screws will come in this way to attach it once it's glued in place. Same thing with this. I'm going to cut over this way, and then I'm going to trim that off. I want more wood rather than less when I cut this off, so I can hold it without having it jump around or get too weird. So here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm going with this on the what I call the wrong side. I'm going to push the hook away, which I don't like, but it lets me square up this edge, so I'm getting 90 degrees, and I'm cutting. I'm cutting towards. It's gonna. I can't put the foot over here, so that's what I'm trying to do. So that one's done. This one, by comparison, I can hook it over here on a straight edge. There we go. 2 glue blocks all set up, or ready to be glued.